morning, everyone. I am B.N. Sonkar, Director Indigenisation from DDP side. My talk is on indigenization of components and spares. Basically, in 2020, there is one policy has been announced by DDP. All the imported items, maximum items from defense PSU to be indigenized. In that reference, 10 to 20 minutes, I will go through, and I request the private sector to involve and get benefited for the indigenization item. Pursuant to the clarion call of Prime Minister of India for the Atamanirbharta and Make in India initiative, Department of Defense Program has given thrust on indigenous manufacturing of defense equipment, spare and components. DDP has taken so many initiatives to attract Indian industry so as to create domestic defense industrial ecosystem. The purpose of indigenization, it is listed here, to achieve self-reliance and to bolster Make in India campaign in defense sector, reduce import dependency of defense PSUs, overcome global supply disruptions and challenges, reduce import bills, boost up productivity, fostering triple P model. DDP has issued one policy on 8th March 2019 for indigenization of component spares of defense platforms for defense PSU. The objective of this policy to indigenize the imported components, sub-assembly, subsystems for defense equipment and platforms manufactured in India, thereby creating an industry ecosystem in country to leverage the export of components for defense equipment. All defense PSU to give preference to indigenous components of sub-assembly, development of indigenization portal, government scheme to support development of technological capability, IDEX, challenges for prototype development, adoption of May process as Mr. Dubey has already discussed, nomination of chief indigenization officers from the defense PSU side. In this reference, in this objective of the indigenization, DDP has launched a portal named as Srijan portal on August 2020 as a representative for Make in India in defense. It is a common indigenization portal for all the defense PSUs and service headquarters. This is an online platform for sharing information of items to be indigenized, to serve as an interface between the defense PSU, service headquarters and the industry partners in the process of indigenization. A big step towards ease of doing business. Srijan portal, of opportunity for industry to see large number of imported items. This is a well-structured description of the items having search facility with filters such as product reference number, company name, NATO supply group class, industry domain, OEM name, OEM country, etc. It has every item has well-structured description which includes specification of the items, business volume, and contact point of the concerned DPSU and service headquarters. Industry can show interest simply by email and mobile-based authentication. Concerned DPSU service headquarters contact the firm thereafter. This is the home page of this Srijan portal. You can see the items respective of the defense PSU. There are 16 defense PSU now. You can see which defense PSU has uploaded their items, what is the specification, what is the quantity, everything you can see on the home page. How to show the interest for the indigenization? This is the step to identify the products of interest with the help of search facility available in the left column, what we have seen earlier. Search filter can be done company-wise, NATO group classification, use more details below each product to understand the product, which include specification of the product, business opportunity, and contact details of the respective defense PSUs. Second step, click the add button to show interest as available for each product. Click the show interest as available on the top right corner. Fill the show interest section, and OTP will be received. Based on OTP authentication, a confirmation mail will be received. Accordingly, the rep or CIU of the defense PSU will contact the firm who has shown their interest as per their procedure, requirement, and guidelines. And this is the flow chart how to show the interest on the Season portal. Now I'll discuss about the list. Basically, there are two types of list: positive indigenization list and non-positive indigenization list. Positive indigenization list has been notified by DDP and Ministry of Defence and give importance to Atamanirbharta in defence by prioritizing the indigenization of major LRU, subsystem, spare, material, and major platforms of defence PSUs. And it has given the time frame. Beyond this time frame, that item cannot be imported. Second one is non-PIL item, which can uploaded by defence PSU. It is not notified, but defence PSU they can upload on the Season portal. Summary of the PIL as on today, how many PILs has been uploaded on the Season portal. You can see on the table. The first PIL was notified 27/12/2021, comprising 2,851 items. Total items so far indigenized in first PIL 2,809 and 42 are yet to be indigenized. Accordingly, second PIL 28/3/2022 for 107 number, 34 has been indigenized, 73 is still pending. PIL 3 also in 2022, for 780 items, 149 items has been indigenized, 631 is still pending. PIL 4 12 May 2023, for the 922 items, 28 items, 10 items has been indigenized, 918 items is still pending, which has very good opportunity for the private vendors. PIL 5, recently it has been notified for 346 number, 4 items has been indigenized and 342 items are still pending. Just to see the total PIL 5,112 items, 3,006 items has been indigenized and 2,006 items are still pending. Total items what I have shown earlier, it has comprising non-PIL items. So there are more than 37,000 items already uploaded on the Season portal, including the PIL 5,012 items and 32,403 items are non-PIL uploaded by defence PSU. And also you have seen the business volume for total items more than 1 lakh crore. PIL 11,300 crore, non-PIL 88,700 crore business are available. Accordingly, indigenized items and non-indigenized it is shown. So we can see 2,000 non-PIL, 22,134, 2,000 PIL items and 22 and 134 items are still to be indigenized. Value-wise, you can see for PIL 7,900 crore and non-PIL 84,600 plus crore are available. Domain-wise and PSU-wise, you can see the area of domain. The firm who is interested like chemical, consumables, electrical, electronics, mechanical, optics, other raw material, rubber, etc. It is shown, and in the left side, defence PSU, including the service headquarters and Indian Coast Guard, who has uploaded the items, it is shown in this table. Just I will brief in detail about the PIL and their major platforms. Notified in 2021, timeline for indigenization up to December 24. Major platforms T-72 tanks, T-90 tanks, helicopters, fighter aircraft, trainer aircraft, submarine, destroyer, etc. And the components, data acquisition and processing system which need to be indigenized. Second PIL, it was notified 2022 and its timeline is December 22 to December 28. Major platform, it is shown there, you can go through. Third PIL, also the timeline is December 28. Major platform, it is mentioned there. Accordingly, the items need to be indigenized, it is also mentioned there. Fourth PIL, and this is the fifth PIL. about the Citizen Portal as an online model for real-time monitoring for Indigenization, DDP first to fifth EIL items, a step towards transparency and accountability in the whole Indigenization process, available for public view since 24 May 2022. Additional feature for DDP for analysis whether this item, why it has not been indigenized, what is the reason, how much time will take. It is also indigenized by DDP. Industry can see the progress of indigenization like EOIs, RFP for selection of development agency, PSO, design development, commercial RFP, trial, other action indigenized on the Citizen Portal. More than 800 items and about more than 600 vendors, they have shown their interest. And in order to formalize the MSME, the Defense PSU, they are also organizing seminar or webinars or outreach program regularly. Through this seminar, DPSU are also showing the indigenization opportunity available with them. And as on today, one PIB releases in which around 800 vendors and about 7,000 crore, the order has been placed by the Defense PSU for the domestic industry. So there is the opportunity, the vendors will come, go, and it is simply just clicking the Citizen Portal, and with the OTP authentication, they can see the items, and accordingly they can proceed. Any queries and anything, please.